If you own an 80 series Land Cruiser, you've probably experienced these slow windows, and if you can get them up, you're in good shape. But once they're down, sometimes they don't want to go up, and that has to do with weather stripping and all that, but also just not enough power from the factory. So Powertrain Integration has come up with an awesome kit called the Rocket Windows, and we're going to be installing that today. But to kind of give you an example, we're trying to go down now, and this is just not ideal. Keep in mind this was a luxury vehicle in the 90s, and in my opinion, this just doesn't cut it. So on the way up, it's even slower. So keep in mind, we're at 90 degrees in the middle of the summer. Try this in the winter when it's a little bit cooler and this weather stripping is contracted because of the cold temperature. It's gonna go even slower. So we're gonna be installing this kit today, and hopefully these windows will go a little bit faster. So this is everything that will come in the kit. There is a really nice instruction packet here that'll tell you exactly how to do it. Of course, we're going to be showing you in the video today, so it'll make it a little bit easier to have a visual representation. These are the standoffs as well as some extra screws here, and we'll show you how those work. And then this is the rocket window module itself, and basically what it's going to be doing is replacing the existing relay that goes to the window motor regulator and replacing it just with the stronger unit. So this will bolt into the kick panel area, and we're about to take that off now and show you how to do it. All right, so first thing we're going to be doing is taking this 10mm off of this step pedal to remove it. Okay, now we need to remove this plastic panel here. You can buy a specific panel remover tool, but this is my dad's Land Cruiser, so we're just gonna rip it out. So you've got 3 little plastic pieces that are gonna secure this to the door sill. And this will just come out like that. Again, use a specific tool if you're worried about breaking those, but I've taken it on and off enough times to know not to break it. All right, you'll see this control module here. There are 4 screws that you need to remove, and those are a number 2, I believe, Phillips head screwdriver, so we're gonna remove those real quick. So these are the little metal standoffs, and these are gonna replace the existing screws so that you can, it has a pre-tapped, area on the front, so you can put another set of screws, and this will allow the module to be mounted on the existing ECU threaded holes. So these standoffs will go into the existing holes on this ECU. All right, so now our metal standoffs are in the ECU unit here. We need to take off our existing relay. All right, and this is the relay that you want. This is for your window regulator. So we're gonna take this out. So the way you can check and make sure it's the right relay is you can verify that there's 4 prongs inside this rocket window module. And there's 4 prongs in this one. Some of them might differ, but you can just verify there. So now we're going to bolt the module into the standoffs that we put there and connect this into the existing relay. And then this is a ground that we're going to find a bolt hole where the instructions say to. All right, so we've ground the rocket window negative or ground lead into this here. We've also secured the lead going into the relay from the rocket window module, and we should be able to turn this on now and check and see how quick our windows roll up. All right, so let's see how quick these are now. It's like a completely new truck now. I mean, that's super quick. That's like new car quick. That install only took about 20 minutes, and I think it's well worth it to have windows that roll up as quick as they do now. I mean, this is, especially in the winter, it's just going to be a lot better to have them going up and down quicker. You don't always have to worry about, are they going to actually close if it's raining and having water get inside your cab. So definitely recommend these. This is an awesome product from powertrainintegration.com. Check out the link in the description to buy yours today.